press conference today to demand action against the village panchayat secretary of Shiroda Panchayat and the BDO officials for their inaction against illegal construction in Shiroda Panchayat, and also for causing fraud on the panchayat and on the government. Last year, in the month of February 2022, Mr. Nicolau Fernandez, Mr. Nicolau Rodriguez, and Mr. Gaspar Rodriguez sought permission from the village panchayat of Shiroda for repair of their roof amounting to Rs 99,000. But they constructed an illegal house costing around 8 lakhs rupees in their house, which is in the property of a disabled person, Mr. Sylvester Gracious. This house they have built without any permission from the panchayat, without any permission from the TCP. Last year, when the BDO officials inspected the illegal construction, because the complaint was filed, they valued the work at 99,000. But last month, when we were present for an inspection, the same BDO officials valued the house at 8 lakhs. So they have not only no permission has been given by the panchayat for this work, they have not taken permission from the TCP, and they have also caused fraud on the panchayat, because the house tax, construction license and all that is also dependent on the valuation of the house. So we are demanding action against the Panchayat Secretary of Shiroda Panchayat, and we are demanding action against the BDO officials also who have done the valuation of the house the first time.
I just want to know that the complaint has been registered with the police.
No, we'll be filing it.
When this incident took place?
This illegal construction happened last year. It happened last year. Complaints were being made by the disabled persons. He was getting all the data, and last month we took up this matter where the inspection was happening. Inspection by the BDO officials has taken place. Okay. So
who is this member actually? A family member or from outside?
No, he's a neighbor.
He's a neighbor.
Neighbor.
Which location it is?
Shiroda Panchayat.